Here's Andrea in a shot glass of hot sauce. Ready? Here she goes.
Dang.
You're an idiot. Making me cough to think about it.
I need water.
You need milk and bread. You think she was a camel.
It still hurts. Oh my god, come here, my nose. Okay, it's burning my lips.
She wasn't too bad.
Is my face red? Yeah.
Let's see. Yep. And she guzzled a whole bottle of water.